To get a better understanding of network access control lists, let's take a deep dive into the default ACL provided at account creation. To get started, click on Network ACLs under Security. Click on the Network ACL ID. We will now look at the inbound rules. There are two rules. The first one allows all IPv4 traffic from any source. The second is an implicit deny all rule that applies if no other rule matches. Looking at the outbound rules, these two initial rules are replicated the same way. This is because, as we mentioned previously, ACLs are stateless, so both inbound and outbound rules must be defined for two-way communication. This default network ACL in AWS is designed to be permissive so users can get started quickly without configuring traffic rules from scratch. The Subnet Associations tab shows that this network ACL is associated to all the initial subnets provided by default at account creation. This setup allows all traffic by default, making it easy to launch resources and test connectivity. However, for production environments, it's best to tighten these rules to meet your security needs. Note that you can modify the default ACL by adding or removing numbered rules. You, however, cannot delete the implicit deny rule as it ensures unmatched traffic is blocked. For the purposes of this course, we will use the default ACL provided.